How to reduce video file size in VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to Delve Stack. In today's video, I'll show you how to reduce video file size in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. Sometimes video files are too large to share, upload, or store on your computer. Luckily, VLC has built-in convert and save feature that lets you compress videos while keeping good quality. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First of all, you could open VLC Media Player on your computer, click on Media and then Convert and Save. In the Open Media window, click Add and select the video file you want to compress. Once your file is added, click Convert and Save at the bottom. In the Convert window, choose the profile for your output video. For best compatibility and smaller file size, select Video H.264 plus MP3, that is basically MP4. Click the wrench icon next to the profile to customize advanced settings if needed. You can reduce resolution under the video codec and then the resolution tab. You can also adjust bitrate to lower the file size while keeping acceptable quality. Under Destination, you can click Browse, select the folder where you want to save the new video, give your compressed file a new name to avoid overwriting the original, click Start in the Convert video. VLC will begin processing your video. Once complete, go to Destination folder to find your compressed video. The compression time depends on your video length, resolution, and your computer speed. Keep in mind that lowering resolution and bitrate reduces file size but may affect video quality. Make a backup of your original video before compressing just in case. VLC's compression works best for MP4 H.264 format. Other formats may not compress as efficiently. If the video is still too large, try reducing bitrate further or using a dedicated video compressor tool. Reducing video file size in VLC is perfect for sharing videos via email or social media, saving storage space on your computer, uploading videos to websites with size limits, converting large recordings into smaller, easier to manage files, and that's it. That's how you can reduce video file size in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.